Is your 2013-2017 Honda Accord key fob not working reliably? The most common cause is a dead battery. These fobs use a CR2032 coin battery, which typically lasts 1 to 3 years. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool and a new CR2032 battery. These can be purchased online or at local retailers for a few dollars. Having a plastic pry tool is helpful to avoid scratching your key fob. First, detach any physical key from the fob. Locate the small notch or screw on the fob's seam. Gently pry open the case with your screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity, usually positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car remotely. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the case is fully closed. If problems persist, consult your Honda owner's manual regarding key fob reprogramming or a qualified technician.